Hi guys, Fonzie from GM Motorsport Australia Speed. Today what we've got on the dyno is pretty much representative of what happens to a lot of cars. This car, they can have lifter problems in the L77. So what we've got here is a package. It's got our CNC heads, which is an awesome option even if you are just replacing your cam. This camshaft is a special camshaft, being it's our smallest camshaft, but it was designed to have very good manners but make big top end. And how we've done that was with the valve vents, but also with the load separation. Has good lift characteristics, still in the 600, mated with PSI valve springs. But what we're going to show you is a car that's nearly got stock manners, hardly even know it's got a camshaft in it. It might be like the old GDS C4B 300 kilowatt type thing. So it's got a little bit of a note, but you know, it's no big wop wop wop. So what we're going to show you is well-designed camshaft can still make big power combined with these heads. It is a manual transmission. We've been waiting to actually do one of these to show people what the heads can do on the SS cam in a manual. So we'll belt it up the dyno and we'll see what we get. Hey guys, thought you might like that. 348 real kilowatts with the smallest camshaft we have. So it's awesome cam. I haven't got the like a Torque Master or Street Racer up. What this cam will be the difference is we've stacked the power up here. That gives us our idle quality and our overlap, how it's actually designed with the LSA. So save that there. Look. So what we'll have, I've got a V6 on there as well, basically is our white run and our torque. With the Torque Master, we would draw a line probably up here and it would have a harder hit there. This is very smooth, this camshaft. It's more like a standard mannerism. So it just continues to build and build and build and build it smoothly and then smoothly come off. And that's due to the LSA and the valve vents. So guys, if you've got one of these and you don't want the thumping wop 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 wop, you can get the super stock. It's called the SS cam. It's super stock. It's basically a stock cam on steroids. It gets you all the power, gets you everything else that you need. Doesn't get you super noticed. But if that's your thing, this is your cam. Alright guys, until next time, take care.